The groove. It gives your music the sense of flow and makes you wanna move. But composing groove riffs can seem challenging, especially if you don't understand the theory behind it. That's what we're gonna change today. One way to create a groove is by applying the specific harmony techniques, and that's what this video is about. I will give you everything you need for it, the theory, the simple way to build the right chord progression, and the detailed example of writing the groove metal riff. Okay, let's start from the basics. The groove harmony can be easily explained by using a pendulum. Let's break it down. It starts in a stable position, then swings to unstable position 1, returns to stability, then moves to another unstable position 2, and finally it comes back to the stable position again. So basically it has just 3 positions and 4 steps: stability, instability 1, stability, instability 2. And then it all repeats. And absolutely the same logic applies when building the chord progression. Okay, this concept is clear, but which chords to use? There are millions of them. We need the chords from the scale we use. Every scale consists of 7 notes, and you can build a basic chord starting from each note in the scale. These 7 chords form the foundation for creating a chord progression. In every scale, the logic reveals the same. Stability is achieved with the root chord 1, which is built from the first note of the scale, like E in E minor or D in D phrygian. For the instability steps, we need 2 different chords from the scale, any chords except the root chord. The choice of specific chords will mostly depend on the scale you're working with. In addition to basic chords, you can use advanced chords like suspended, augmented or extended. These are more of the options to choose from. Anyway, please keep in mind that you need 2 different chords for instability steps. I am going to show you an easy way to build chord progressions even if you don't have the extensive knowledge in musical theory. Just follow these steps. Step number 1. Open Hooktheory.com. Step number 2. Find the key cheat sheet index. I'll leave the link in the description. Here you can choose any scale you want. I want to continue with D Locrian. After opening the page, you'll see the scale structure and the 10 most popular chords within it. You can listen to each of them and view its notation. Now let's come back to our groove framework. The stability is the root 1. I will choose D minor. Now instability 1. Let's choose any popular chord. Then coming back to the root chord. And the instability 2. Now let's just try more options. Here's the progression I like. Sounds familiar, right? We can stick with the same chord progression but write a unique riff. Now let's break down the riff structure. The main concept is that the guitar line must follow the chosen chord progression. To do this, you need to place the chord notes on the strong beats. They are highlighted in blue. The same logic applies to every chord. Here's an example of how the guitar line fits with the chord progression. Diving deeper into the guitar riff structure, I need to mention that I have used these special rules to create the guitar groove. The way I was writing the guitar riff was very far from being random. This is what I explain in my linked video. There I break down every little aspect of making the guitar riff groove. Trust me, this knowledge will make the process of writing music the way easier for you. Don't miss it, and see ya!